The topic of today is heat of combustion. What is heat of combustion? When a hydrocarbon burns in air, produces CO2 and H2O with release of heat energy. This released heat energy is known as heat of combustion. Heat of combustion, denoted by delta H0. For example, the simplest example is methane. It reacts with oxygen of the air, changes carbon, changes into CO2 and hydrogen changes into H2 plus some amount of negative energy is released. This may be X kilojoule. This value may be something. The another example, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is isopentane with molecular formula C5H12. When it is allowed to react with air, then 5 CO2 plus 6 H2O, so that's 8 H2 plus delta H, some negative X kilojoule energy. So heat of combustion is an exothermic reaction. It is the exothermic reaction. It is the exothermic reaction. The value of delta H0 is always negative. Is always negative because heat content change and enthalpy change is equal to heat content of product minus heat content of reactant. Heat content of reactant is always greater than the heat content of the product. Low value है lower. That is why the value of delta H is always negative. It is an oxidation reduction reaction. It is an oxidation reduction reaction. For example, this is methane plus 2 O2 gives you CO2 plus 2H2. Carbon, it is in -4 oxidation state. This carbon is +4 oxidation state. So the oxidation number increases. Here oxygen is zero oxidation state. Its oxidation number is going to be -2. So oxidation number of carbon increases, hence oxidation and here oxidation number of oxygen, oxidation number of oxygen decreases, so a reduction. So the complete reaction is oxidation reduction reaction. So the combustion is oxidation reduction reaction. What is use of combustion in field of chemistry? So heat of combustion is proportional to number of carbon atoms. More is the number of carbon atoms in alkane, more is the heat of combustion. If alkane or hydrocarbon is isomeric, hydrocarbon is isomeric. In this case, normal unstable chain compound has greater heat of combustion than iso, and iso has greater heat of combustion than neo compound. For example, heat of combustion of different pentanes follows the decreasing order. As N-pentane, high order of heat of combustion, then isopentane, and then it is the neopentane. In this case, surface area is greater, which allows greater points for intermolecular association. That is why heat of combustion is greater in normal pentane and least in neopentane, because it is highly branched, surface area is least, and in case of isopentane the surface area is moderate. Thank you.